Introducing the stunning 2023 Lexus ES 300h Dynamic in sleek grey. This four-door saloon is powered by a 2.5-litre petrol-electric engine and features automatic transmission for a smooth drive, packed with comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle ensures a luxurious and secure ride for you and your passengers. The exterior boasts a chrome package, privacy glass, and a sunroof for added style and security. The interior is finished with luxury trim for a touch of elegance. Rest assured, knowing that this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us today or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this exceptional Lexus ES 300h Dynamic.